What's going on, guys? It's Hectorson3 here. I was just on the YouTube right now, and I just happened to notice that a lot of people have been doing what they call cold starts now. Well, I figured I may as well get on the bandwagon, so after looking at MBYR31's video of his cold start, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a cold start of my truck. There she is. 93 Chevrolet pickup. Yeah, I know the steering wheel's clogged, the alignment needs to be redone on there, but I'm hopefully going to get that done here in the next few days, so. Yep, 93. It's got a 350 V8, the original one. And as you can see, she's got 226,155 miles. Now that's just on the engine. That's just on the engine. She's got a rebuilt transmission in her. Needs a little gas. So here we go. No pumpage needed. Fuel injected. Actually thought about injected. So here we go. Not bad. Truck was built in Fort Wayne, Indiana back in 1992. Did a Carfax history report on it. So let's take a look at that beast of a 350. Got a little exhaust coming out. That's okay. That's the original engine from 1992 and a 350. That's a 350. Truck is a 93. Not too shabby. Don't want to give it too much gas. Don't want to wake the neighbors. Not shabby. It's pretty good. Hope you enjoyed. This is Hectorson3. Thanks for watching.